All right, guys, morning. Let's talk XCN. It is Sunday morning. It is October 27th already. Almost Halloween. Hopefully you guys have a great Halloween if you got kids, whatever you do. We're going trick-or-treating. It's exciting. My kids are 3 and 2 years old and excited for the next stage of life, right? Got to look forward to it. So we got to talk about XCN today. We had a huge wick up. There's a weekly time frame. Each candle represents a week. We had a huge wick up, kind of testing this resistance trend line right here. We have a lot of support in this area. And really what I want to show you guys real quick, because this is just a lesson that will help you with everything, is this line right here used to be resistance, okay? So back in the day on June 2023, June 5th, the week of June 5th, 2023, a little over a year ago, this became resistance when this candle closed below it, okay? You could see once it became resistance, the reason it became resistance was because it tried to get back above it and it couldn't. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3 candle closes below this line. And what happened? It sold off, okay? Then we tested it again, came back up, tested it November 20th, 2023. Rejected, right? Okay, let me actually zoom in a little more for you. Came up again, rejected. But then, guess what happened? On December 2023, it rallied and it broke this resistance. And now this resistance has become support. Why has it become support? Because it came back down and it tested it and it stayed above the line, okay? And then it rallied up. Guess what it did? Came back down, tested it, stayed above the line, rallied up. Now this broke. So you would think, well, since this broke, like it broke over here, now it's resistance again. No, okay? Because it's holding this support right here and it got back above this line very fast. And then came back down, tested it, and it's been holding ever since. So this is actually very strong support at 0.00122, okay, which is a very good sign, especially because I hold XCN and it is a high risk crypto. By the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to go buy XCN or to sell it. This is all just based on my own opinion, but I just think it's an interesting setup right now. The other thing you want to be aware of is the stochastic on a weekly is curling back up, which is a great sign. You can see what happened last time. We curled back up after holding support in this area, big green candles for the next couple months, okay? Curling back up, holding support. We also have the RSI right here, which is really just in the middle at 42 right now. We did have a MACD cross, which is a great sign in the long run, okay? I believe we had a MACD cross way down here. Let's see, let's pull this up. Haven't really studied the MACD for XCN, but we did have a bounce right here, which also counts as a cross, which is bullish. The white line stayed above the red, and then it crossed down. Right now, the white line staying above the red, which is a good sign, okay? So yeah, with XCN, very high risk. Like, I mean, this thing is trading at 0.0013, okay? If it just gets to a penny, that would be a 10x on investment. So let's look at Fibonacci now. Where could this actually move? So if we take the high point, which was 0.004, not even half a penny, and we bring it all the way to the low point right here, get rid of this real quick. Okay. You can see that the next area is the 236 level, which is 0.0018. Not a lot, okay, but that's the next area you want to look for as resistance. You can see we kind of got up there with this wick. That's pretty crazy. So we'll see what happens, but I'll be looking at the 618 level once this thing gets some momentum. It's still under the 21 EMA right now on a weekly time frame. Again, very high risk. This is less than $50 million market cap, right? I believe so. Let me check real quick. It's kind of like XYO, where XYO is like 80 million. Well, XCN is 40 million. Okay. 40 million, and they have a max and total supply of 48 billion. So they have a lot more coins out there than XYO, and their circulating supply is 30 billion right now. So the tokenomics aren't amazing, but you could see that this thing pumps. It rallies. Okay. So I'll be looking for it to touch the yellow Keltner lines. I think it's picking up steam right now. I like that it's above this trend line right here. I like that it got back above support. And this is very strong support at 122. And then if you want to dream a little bit, guys, I mean, if we do a full Fibonacci one day, let's say, and cryptos have done that, right? You find these little projects. All the big cryptos today once were a very, very low market cap like this. Okay, so if we can get to the 2.618 level, that would get us to a penny for XCN. That's a 10x from where we're at today. Okay, if we can get to the 4.236 level, that's about a penny and a half. What would that be, like a 15x from today's levels? So for these reasons, I'm in it. I only have invested what I'm willing to lose, especially with a crypto like this. Very, very high risk. But again, guys, this could definitely happen. I would say a penny could definitely happen just based off Fibonacci and also based off resistance right in this area, being the 2.618 level. And we have a ton of resistance in this area. So for me, I'll probably hold it until this, at least get a 10x out of it. I'll be patient, and we'll see what happens, right? So let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to drop a like. Let me know if you want more XCN, XYO crypto information. It's really the only two cryptos that are very low market cap that I hold, under 100 million. Let me know if you know of any others, and I'll check them out. And I hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.